What is Panorama? Panorama provides centralized monitoring, reporting, and management for multiple Palo Alto Network's next-generation firewalls. It provides a single location from which you can oversee all applications, users, and content traversing your network. Software, content, and license updates. You can use Panorama to manage and deploy all firewall software, threat updates, and licenses. Regular threat updates can be centrally downloaded from Palo Alto Networks to the Panorama appliance and then distributed through scheduled updates to managed devices. Licenses can be monitored and updated for all managed devices. Templates and device groups. Templates and device groups allow you to apply common configuration settings to managed firewalls such as security zones, NAT and security rules, address objects, and other elements found on firewalls under the Policies, Objects, Network, and Device tabs. You can use templates and device groups to create and apply configuration items to multiple firewalls from Panorama, instead of creating and applying those same settings on each firewall individually. Panorama eliminates repetition and reduces the potential for mistakes. Enterprise administrators and device administration. You can implement role-based access control, RBAC, in Panorama to apply different access levels for each administrator. You can also restrict administrators to managing specific firewalls or sets of firewalls. User ID data. You can configure Panorama as a centralized collection and redistribution point of user ID information for firewalls across the enterprise. Local policy and config. Local firewall administrators still can manage local firewall settings, if appropriate. Report data. Panorama allows you to examine traffic, threats, trends, and activity across your enterprise network. Firewalls managed by Panorama gather and send summary reporting data to Panorama every 15 minutes. Logs. You can configure firewalls to forward events to Panorama and to other log collection devices at the same time, which allows Panorama to present a single view of threats and traffic across your entire Palo Alto Network's deployment. You also can continue to use existing logging systems such as syslog to receive events from your firewalls.